Okay, so you're going on your trip and you want to know what to pack. Toothpaste, passport, cosmetics. You want to make sure you got all that. That flight itinerary, everything. It's the most important, and your cash. You want to make sure all that's packed, sealed, where it needs to be sealed. That's one of the few of the most important things. You don't want to get to the airport and lose that. Or not have it, but you gotta go back home and get it. Because that can end up costing you to miss your flight and all that. So there's some things that you should pack. That's what you should pack. Some of the things you should be packing. You know? It's not a joke, but you know, it's quite disheartening to get to the airport and you ain't got it. I know I wouldn't want to do so. I always make sure I pack my passport and things like that. Make sure all that's secured before I even make the venture. It's very important. Okay? Make sure you got all that. Don't leave it behind. Yeah? Cosmetics, everything. You want to have everything lined up in that bag. Make sure you got everything that big that's not, you know, you don't want nothing in that big that's getting set off any alarms or anything when you're going to get your biggest check. So you want to make sure before you even go to the airport, what can you put in your, if you got electronics or anything, find out if you could put them in your suitcase too, without the metal detector going off. So you want to make sure all the stuff's packed away and sealed, or what can be packed in your suitcase, you're going to have to carry it on you. Because you want to go to the airport, you want to be organized. You want to be organized. You don't be fighting around trying to find your stuff. Passports here, cash is here. Okay, boom, boom, bam. I could go now. Right, but if you're scrambling, it's going to be a little bit hard. It's going to make your little vacation a little bit awkward. So that's about organization. That's all it is, definitely about organization. You want to have your name on your passport. You want that to be unique too. So, because I'm seeing an instance, I spoke about this previously, but I'm seeing an instance of somebody else taking somebody else's baggage because it looked like theirs. You want your baggage, your luggage to be unique. Your suitcase should be unique. You don't want it looking the same as somebody else's. So it's got to be different. It's got to stand out. Yeah, that can help stop causing you problems when you get to the airport. Okay, got to stay focused and make sure you got what you want. Pack enough clothes, socks, underwear, pants, or check out the weather, what the weather's going to be like too. You don't want to be caught off guard. You know, some places the weather's saying one day, but when you go there, your body's feeling another. So even if you aren't, yeah. So you have to make sure you got everything. So you got to be focused on what you got to do. Don't get caught up on everybody else. So do that. Stay focused. Don't worry about people. Okay? Stay focused. Yeah. So pack everything. Make sure it's packed before you go to the airport. So don't do that. Okay? You want to be organized. Suitcase, everything. Plane ticket, passport, plane ticket, money, clothes, everything. It's got to be in there. If not, you're going to go to the airport. You're going to be in trouble. Okay? You got to. All right? So stay focused. Do what you got to do. When you get to the airport, you want everything in order. Itinerary, everything. So that way there, nothing's missing. So when you get there, you're organized and ready to go. That's the most important things that you got to do. Because if you don't, you're going to be in trouble. Anything you're missing, you're going to be in trouble. All right? So just organize yourself and make sure you got it. Think ahead of time. Okay? Think ahead of time. Not just now, but ahead of time too. Okay? That's what matters most. Think. See me, you gotta be focused. Whenever I go on vacation, I make sure I got everything. Everything has gotta be there, everything has gotta be packed. Okay? So you go there, your trip's memorable, it's more fun, it's important to you, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Yeah? So stay focused on what you gotta do. Build your brand. Yeah? That's what these are my tips and advice for you today. I want you to do that when you go to report so that you got everything. Make sure that you know what you got. That's more important than what you got. Okay? That's important. Know what you got.